All set now, ready to race, and the race is on. Bringer of Rain from the outside, Tabel Beyond Good. Ella Enjoy, Racing Import, moving up by Daryl Sir Ferdinand. Ikaw ha is the early trailer. It's Bringer of Rain by some 2 lengths, followed by Tabel. And on the outside is Ella Enjoy by Daryl Beyond Good, the favorite. And running fifth by some 4 lengths, Sir Ferdinand. And Ikaw ha is running at the tail of the field. Bringer of Rain. And Beyond Good is now running in second. Alongside is Tabel, Ella Enjoy, number 1, Sir Ferdinand. Ikaw ha is running by Daryl. As they race the corner, Bringer of Rain by Daryl. And on the outside is Beyond Good, Ella Enjoy, Tabel. And moving up is Sir Ferdinand. Ikaw ha is running at the tail of the field. As they race the final corner, Beyond Good, number 3 is now the leader. Bringer of Rain down on the inside, Ella Enjoy. Ikaw ha is on the further outside. It's still Beyond Good. Ikaw ha is on the outside. Ella Enjoy, and nearing the finish line. Beyond Good, Ikaw ha, and finally Beyond Good close. Ella Enjoy, Ikaw ha. Sir Ferdinand, number 6, Bringer of Rain, and Tabel comes last.
Ah.